So the BMW M5 Competition is a gorgeous machine. I mean, look at the lines on this thing. But in true Turn 14 distribution fashion, there is always a product available to accentuate and elevate your ride to the next level. So in this episode, we're gonna outfit the vehicle with a Vorsteiner front lip and rear spoiler. We're also gonna bolt up a new set of wheels and tires. So let's get to these Vorsteiner carbon fiber components. So not all carbon fiber is created equal, and the Vorsteiner front lip and rear spoiler are constructed with aerospace carbon fiber pre-preg. It's cured in an autoclave for precise resin control. And what all that does is it ensures the quality and strength of the carbon fiber throughout the part. It is light years better in quality and strength than traditional hand layup composite materials and methods. So this is a functional piece of automotive jewelry. Okay, so we just put the Vorsteiner front lip on. Really easy. Once the tape was peeled back, we aligned it with the two outermost bolts and kind of walked it up, and then did our final fitment, pushed it up, and from this angle it looks great. So we know when it's on the ground it's going to look even better. And speaking of automotive jewelry, how about these diamond black BBS LMs with the polished lip? It's a two-piece die-forged aluminum wheel, 20 by 10 for the front and 20 by 11 for the rear. These beauties are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S rubber. That is a tire born from competition and has the responsibility to keep this M5 Competition gripping at the road. And we finished it off with a black and silver BBS center cap. So here's our final product, our BBS LM wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sports, and we put a future classic titanium stud conversion and lug nuts on this before we mounted it to the hub. So as you can see, it slides right on, it doesn't damage the wheel, and this isn't a wheel you want to damage, it's completely custom. It was completely disassembled, the lip was polished, then reassembled, and then put on the car, and it looks really good even from up here on the lift. So stay tuned for our next episode where we give this M5 Competition just a little more power.